Hello dear all, I hope so you all are doing well. So let's learn some more about percentage. So percentage is another way of comparing quantities, right? So let's take one example. In an examination, there were 3 students. Let's give them A, B and C as their respective names. A scored 75% marks. B scored 65% marks and C scored 85% marks. Here we are given with the percentage of the marks scored by each student. This is for B and this is for C, right? Directly it is not given about the total marks obtained by each student. Like we don't know what was the marks obtained out of what. Here the marks are given in the form of percentages and we have to compare. By observing we can see the marks of student C will be absolutely greater than student A and student B, right? And by observing only you can say that B has scored the less marks among all because B is having only 65% which is less than 85 and 75%. So basically we need to compare the quantities. Quantities can be given in any form. So let me take one more example. Like in an examination, let's say total marks. Total examination marks is given as, or we can say that total marks are 600. Okay. And Amit scored 400 marks and Puneet scored, let us take 330 marks. Okay, so 2 students are there in an examination where total marks were 600. So we need to compare their marks, or I can write compare their percent marks. Okay, so marks are not given in percent here, right? So first of all we need to find the percentage and then we can only compare, right? So if we will solve this, first of all we should know what is the total percentage, like total marks of that examination. So first of all we are finding for Amit, 400 is the scored marks or the obtained marks over 600. And to bring percentage, as I say, into 100. 2 zeros will be cancelled out by 2 zeros, right? So directly we are left with 4 over 6. And again if we will reduce it, we will get 2 over 3. And your final result is 66.66%. Clear what we have done? The formula which shows that obtained marks upon total marks into 100. Let's find for Puneet. So 330 upon 600 into 100. So 0 cancel by 0. 3 times 11 is 33. 3 times 20 is 60. And 0 again cancel. 2 cancel by 10, 5. 11 into 5 will gives you 55%. So on this basis we have got both the marks in percentage now. So directly we can compare. As you can see, 66.66% is greater than 55%. So directly we will say that Amit scored more marks than Puneet. So if you can see directly, you can also show that 400 is greater than 330. But we need to show in percentage, and after this step we will say only that if we will compare their percentage marks, then Amit have scored more marks than Puneet. So in this way we will solve this type of question. So students, till now we have studied how to solve the question when total is 100. Now we will learn how to solve the percentage when total is not 100. Okay, in that case let me give you one example to discuss. So suppose we have one bag, and in that particular bag we have red balls and black balls. So number of red balls we have 8 and number of black balls we have 12. Okay, and the total balls will be 20. So basically we need to find the percentage of red balls and percentage of black balls in a bag. So for red balls we will find, then we will write first the red balls we have, okay, and in denominator we will write the total box. Like here we have 20, so we will write 20. Clear? Since we need to find percentage, and to find percentage we multiply by 100. So using this concept only we will write 8 upon 20 into 100. And you can reduce it also. If you will see, 0 is cancelled by 0, otherwise you can directly do 5, and 5 8s are 40%. So 40% red balls we have in the bag. Let's find for black balls. For black balls, first of all we will write the total black balls we have. So 12 black balls we have only, right, upon total balls, that is 20, and into 100. You can reduce. So 0 cancelled by 0, same, 2 5s are 50, so 5, and 12 5s are 60. So we will say that 60% black balls are there in the particular bag. I hope so I'm clear. So to compare the quantities we are using this percentage, and to find percentage we will use this concept only in all cases. Okay, so now suppose if one more part is given, that to find the percentage having greater number of balls. So directly you can see, but on comparing you can also see that 60% is for black and 40% is for red. So 60% is greater. I hope so you have understood. For more we will learn in our next class. Thank you.